Hi everyone, SK here. Today I want to show you how to create YouTube video intro with Canva, and it is free. You can also use it as the intro for your online courses. Let's go to my computer. I will show you two videos intro I have made. Please click the subscribe button so that you will get notifications when new contents like this come out. Subscribing to my channel is completely free. Now I'm going to show you how to create video intro number 2. First of all, go to canva.com, and if you have not signed up, you can sign up or you can log in with Facebook, Google or Apple. Then choose video and select video. So the size is 1920 by 1080, or if you're doing for Facebook or mobile video, then you can choose accordingly. Click here. And now you click elements and search for grades and select this one. And now go to videos and search for technology and select this one, Earth Technology. The type of video depends on the theme that you want to convey. And now go to elements and search for shape and select this pure shape. The latest Canva features allow you to type directly in the shape. So now we are going to change the shape's color and the font's color. Click here and go for white, and the font color go for black. Now change the font. I choose Libre Franklin, and we can change the border weight. Once you click border weight, this icon will come out and we can choose the color of the border. You can go to this website, Canva's website, about fonts. So from here you will know what types of font are suitable to be used in your design. I will put the link here down below the description. Increase the size of the shape. And now change the font size to 100. The background video is actually 10 seconds. So it's too long, so now I want to trim it. Click the trim button. Let's say we trim it to 2 seconds. Let's play the video and see. Okay, now actually this shape is actually blocking the background video. So we want to make it transparent. Click this button and adjust the transparency. Okay, now it's better. Now I want to increase the border weight. So click this button. Now we add second page. Go for black color. Let's put in text. So now we are going to add elements. Click elements and search for sticker style and choose this one. Now let's change the duration to 1.5 seconds and play and see. Now we add third page. I just copy and paste because this one and the first page, this one, the way doing it is the same. Now go to elements and search for square shape sticker and select this one. Enlarge it. Now go to position and click forward. Let's adjust the size of the elements. Now I want to reduce the duration to 3 seconds. And now we can add the transition. Just click the plus sign and click add transition. Choose line wipe and direction to the right. Same as this one. Now I want to add music. You can choose from Canva's audio or you can upload your own music. And let's choose fade in and fade out. Now let's play it and see. You can adjust the volume. Now I want to show you where you can download your royalty-free music or sound effect. Go to YouTube and click YouTube Studio and click this button, Audio Library. And from here you can search for music or sound effects which are royalty-free. And just click the download button to download the music. Alright, that's all for today. If this video helps you learn, please give this video a thumbs up. And please click on the subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you and see you soon.